Hey, if tinfoil is opening to a black screen and not loading anything, yeah, that can be really frustrating. Don't worry, I'll show you the most effective ways to fix the tinfoil black screen problem. First, fully power off your console. Don't just put it in sleep mode. Hold the power button, turn it off completely, then turn it back on and launch tinfoil again. If restarting doesn't work, reinstall tinfoil. A corrupted installation file can cause the app to load into a black screen. If you're using custom firmware, make sure it's updated and your SIG patches are correct. Outdated firmware can prevent tinfoil from loading properly. Some forwarder NSP files or conflicting apps can cause black screen issues. Try launching tinfoil through the correct method recommended for your setup. A corrupted SD card can also cause tinfoil to load to a black screen. Insert your SD card into a computer and check for errors, or back up your files and reformat if necessary. So yeah, restarting your console, reinstalling tinfoil, updating firmware and SIG patches, using the correct launch method, and checking your SD card usually fixes the black screen problem. After that, tinfoil should load normally again.